Hello everyone, I'm Rashid Yasin, Director of Kalhan IAS Academy. This institution is based in Delhi with a branch in Bhopal that provides guidance to civil services aspirants. This institution basically provides guidance for general studies, essay and interview along with leading optional subjects which are important for your mains examination. Today I am here to discuss briefly about this institution which was established in 2017 basically to provide effective guidance to students all across the country. This institution was basically established in central India and Bhopal to cater to large number of students as Bhopal is a center for large number of engineering and other colleges. Clear? This institution since the beginning has delivered its commitment and results. Clear? Since 2017 consistently we have been delivering results and in 2019 last year only we delivered results like Sushri Jain Deshmukh who scored 5th rank as well as Garima Agarwal who scored 40th rank. Clear? This institution basically provides effective guidance with same team in Delhi also as well as in regional centers like Bhopal as well. My basic focus for coming today in front of you is to discuss about nuances of history optional. This optional I have been teaching since almost a decade. And with regard to this optional, I have worked on several works also which are counted as our academic achievements. Clear? Recently, I along with my team has come out with a very prominent work related to history optional. This work is basically a question and answers of last 40 years which has been asked in UPSC mains examination. This work is broadly divided into two parts. The first part is basically ancient and medieval India that includes last 40 years papers of ancient medieval India since 1979. The basic feature of this book is that every answer to the question has been drafted with taking care with all its identity as well as introduction, conclusion and content part. Apart from content, my team and along with them, I have focused largely on proper introduction and conclusion to give a proper sense of answer. The basic purpose of this work is to allow you or to facilitate you to have sequential understanding of the questions topic wise so that you can even understand the trend of questions being asked in UPSC mains examination. Along with this part, we have also come out with a second part. This second part relates to modern India and world history, which also includes last 40 years questions and answers in sequential order since 1979. Here I want to pause and I'll let you know that one important thing to be kept in mind with regard to this part is that this part is equally important for your general studies paper 1, as you all may be knowing that in general studies paper 1 we have a last section of history largely related to modern history and world history, which is very important for your mains examination. This work or this part will help you to understand the nature of questions even for general studies also along with optionals. Clear? Apart from these two works, I along with my team has been working on history optional since a long time, and earlier also we came out with a similar work that is complete history through questions and answer. The basic feature of this work is that it has filtered the whole syllabus of history optional in terms of questions and answer, so that by revising the whole top question answer you can even revise the whole history optional as well. Along with this work, we have also come out with a very prominent work which was the first work or academic achievement of our institute. This work is titled as Map Entries for History Optional. I'll let you know one important thing. In paper 1 of history optional related to ancient medieval India, the first question of 50 marks is a compulsory question which has to be attempted by every candidate. And this question of map entries is very scoring in nature. You can score above 80% marks as well to boost your score. And since no major material was available to prepare map entries, first of all we came out with this work which includes more than 400 important sites along with previous year's solved papers as well. Along with accurate map entries that we have given, we have also provided short notes of almost 30 to 40 words because you have to write short notes on relevant sites in examination as well. Since this work proved to be very beneficial for candidates and on the request of the civil services aspirants, recently we have come out with the second volume of this work as well. This second edition of this work also includes previous year's solved papers till 2019 mains examination. So I hope all these works together can really help you to prepare history optional properly, even without attending physical classes. Since in this scenario of pandemic, we understand very well that it is quite difficult for all of you to attend physical classes, especially those sitting back in remote areas or back at their home. Clear? Just because of these issues only, we have decided to come out with online classes for history optional, and in these online classes we provide test series also, we provide evaluated answer sheets as well. Clear? There are candidates who had been writing these tests online, they had been giving these papers back to us, and we had been reverting back to them after evaluating the answers along with model answers as well. Clear? Along with these things that we provide to the candidates sitting back at their home, we also provide them with class notes also. The classes that I have taken related to history optional, those whole classes has been brought into form of class notes into 4 sections, that is ancient history. These notes include even map entries that I have discussed in the class. Then we have medieval history, modern India, and world history. All these are provided to you along with our books back to your place through postal services, so that you can sit back and you can attend the classes without attending or coming to any major center as well. Clear? Along with all these things, we also have started online test series as well, and these online test series along with video classes will help you to comprehensively prepare history optional without taking any extra effort to come to either Delhi or to any major clusters where coaching centers are confined. Clear? But the overall purpose of my and my team is to help you to prepare UPSC examination uninterruptedly, even in this scenario of pandemic. Clear? If you need any assistance from our side, obviously we are always ready to help you out, and in order to be in contact with us, you can even take our numbers as well. The phone numbers are 9522 222 or you can contact even on 84473 You can even visit our website as well, www.kalhanias.com. If any query is there, just feel free to ask, because we understand that in this scenario you need not only the assistance or not only academic assistance, you even need emotional assistance as well, even you need personal mentoring and guidance as well. We as a team are always ready to help you out in any scenario. Thank you so much.